Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1138 and today's topic is artificial intelligence technologies. If you remember in the last lecture, I discussed about the different branches of artificial intelligence, and now I am going to discuss what are the technologies they are related to artificial intelligence. They refer as subset, and artificial intelligence is having these subsets like machine learning, deep machine learning, robotic, neural networks, language programming, that is natural language programming. So these are all technologies that refer to artificial intelligence, and they are subset of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella and under which all these subsets are there. And if you remember, artificial intelligence, once I am talking, it means that data input is there that I discussed, and that data is trained in that machine learning, and after the training it is becoming more and more smarter, and then with repeated learning and training it can take decision, and it can have its own language programming like human being, and with that we can produce humanoid. Production of humanoid, that is HU, means it is a subset of artificial intelligence technology, and artificial intelligence itself is a part of computer which has different technologies associated, refers to artificial intelligence. So humanoid is one of them. Humanoid means it is well trained artificial intelligence, machine learning, and it can take decision, it can have language, it can mimic like human being, natural language, it can understand, it can take decision, and such type of humanoid. Now it is produced worldwide. In India, lot of humanoids are produced. Like first, you might have heard once Sophia, and that humanoid was given Saudi Arabia's citizenship, and now many humanoids are produced. They behave like human beings, but they are not behave. In India, some of the female look humanoids, they are reading the news on television, they are discussing the issues, so that is called humanoid. So this all these activities is all data processing, is all based on data, and the most important part is played by, that is called algorithm. Algorithm is very important part of AI. And what is algorithm? Actually, algorithm is instruction, is a rule applied to all those data, and with that rule and instruction it is following. And without algorithm, we can't do anything. I mean, we means that is AI technologies. And the best simple two examples I am going to give, like ATM card. You have ATM card from bank, and that ATM card is there to withdraw the money. You are going to a bank, ATM, anywhere, in any part of the world. Once you put ATM, first instruction is given by algorithm, because with the algorithm all these instructions are set, all the rules are set in the ATM machine. That is purely artificial intelligence work. In the computer branch, that is working with the help of algorithm with set rule and set instructions. So once you are inserting your ATM card, if it is fake, it will come no, it will eject, because your card is fake. Anyway, once it is inserted, it will goes inside, then again instruction will come. that okay, enter your PIN code. Then you will enter your PIN code. If it is wrong, maybe if it is stolen ATM card, it will refuse. So no, your PIN code is wrong. Because all because of algorithm, application of algorithm. It is in their artificial database, neural networking. It is there to recognize everything. All the data is recognized because in that data processing it is done with the help of, I am calling it, that is algorithm. So it will refuse. Then again you may check. It happened to me twice that when I entered my PIN, I committed mistake. It refused. Then I corrected because of a mistake. Once your PIN code is correct, then it will ask, enter your money. If you are entering 10,000 naira and in your bank you don't have 10,000 naira anywhere in the bank, in any part of the world, immediately it will come, you will get the instruction with the help of algorithm inside. That instruction is coming. You don't have sufficient money and your card will come out. And if you have sufficient money, the processing will be there and within few seconds you will get 10,000 naira and then it will stop. So that is the important role of algorithm in all the AI technologies. And the latest one is a very interesting research is going on, and where they are using algorithm. Algorithm is playing very important role here. Most of the students, they only practice on keyboard and making different type of picture, design, content, and they think that this is the limit. It is nothing. And that's why I strongly believe, we Indians, we strongly believe in knowledge base, deep knowledge, just like in machine, deep learning. And that will make you really perfect to become the data scientist, data engineer, whatever it is, once you have knowledge. If you have superficial knowledge, shortcut, sitting in some shop in computer center and just expert in keyboard, no, it is not acceptable. As a scientist, if your vision should not be limited. The problem here in Nigeria or in many countries, even in India also, if you want to do some big work, your vision should be big. Your vision should not be limited. And with broad vision, you will work hard because your aim and vision is to become a data scientist or to be on top, to join the Google, to join the Amazon as a scientist. Then you have to work hard. And here, knowledge is very important. The more I know, I feel I don't know. So here, the other example I am giving, nowadays there is lot of research is going on about the language and what sound and frequency the animal world is producing. One is, human being, other one is animals. All other animals are vertebrate, invertebrate. Those insects and some other vertebrate, invertebrate animals. So latest research was conducted on bats and bees. Means they are trying that in future we should talk with all other animals. We should understand their language. What type of sound they are producing. What meaning that frequency is having. So, and that branch is now a new branch of that technology is created. And that is called bioacoustic. So, digital bioacoustic branch of AI means where you are learning is a big branch now, where lot of scientists, data scientists, here if I am saying for AI means data scientists, they are fully involved with the help of algorithm. Here algorithm is playing very important role. What instruction we are getting out of that data. So that, for example, they targeted first bird. So bird, if you see bird, many people they have confusion that birds they look like bird, but they are not bird, they are mammal. They deliver the child, and there is mammary gland, and they have infant. They are sucking the breast milk, but they fly. So that birds is a very interesting data they put, because they selected some 24 birds and chip was put on their brain, very small microchip, nano chip, and they were recording their sound behavior. So it was on that all the data was recorded, because everything data, whether it is produced by animals, insect or human being, in the form of frequency, in the form of sound, or in the form of speaking language, they are all data. So that's why nowadays data is ocean. The world is different now because of data processing, data purification. And still we are sleeping. If I am talking in some part of the world, people they don't give much importance. What war is going on is only on data and frequency. Israel and Palestine. So what they did, the scientists, data scientists, it was fixed. So, but first thing is that all these animals, just like we, some 10,000 years ago, we were only involved in chasing the animals and plants to get our food. But we became civilized. Our civilization is based on firepower. Firepower we can control. It became domestic. And then we started cooking. Fire was controlled. And after cooking, the same fire we are using to kill each other. In the form of gunpowder, in the form of missile, in the form of rocket. Still firepower is ruling this world. So, these birds and bees, they don't have firepower. So, what they are doing? They are still always in search of their food, object, always hunting. So, when bees will hunt for any small insect or any maybe frog or maybe lizard, so it will create some sound. And sound is nothing but frequency. So it will reach to the object, and it will hit, and again it will come back to that bird. Striking and then giving the information back that this is the distance of that particular object in the form of hunting, that is frog, for example. And if frog is very close with that sound, it will understand that it is very close, and it will immediately rush there. So with that sound, they collected the data. So that data, after processing, it is found that it is a type of their language. And once it gets that bird, that frog, after catching the frog, after hunting, again it will produce another sound. So that sound is the sound of happiness, because the sound which was produced to catch the frog was different, and after catching the frog, what sound was produced by bird was different. So one sound was a struggling sound to get it, after getting the sound of happiness. And if that object, that hunting material is big, where many of their friends can enjoy, family members can enjoy, then that bird will produce another third type of sound. And then they will understand their family group that okay, it means our friend, this one got big cheer. Let us rush because sound has come. They will understand, and with that sound frequency, they all will rush to that place. So they are 1 dozen or 5, 6 of their family or group members will enjoy. So with that, slowly, after algorithm and processing, they found that birds, they communicate, they fight, they become happy, they become sorrow, and all are done by their data. In the form of sound they speak, they laugh, they enjoy, and lot of research is going on. So in future, it may take 10, 15 years, human beings will start speaking and understanding the language of animals, and they will communicate. And whatever response will come, because humans will be having algorithm of all data, because it is a database, and to purify those data which are produced by animals, our scientists are very, very smart and intelligent. They can do it. So in future, all the animals, any type of sound, any type of speaking, any type of roaring or barking, what dogs and lions are doing, everything will be purified, and it will be understood, and we will start talking with animals. So here, the same what I was discussing, I have written here. Number 1, after knowing about various branches of artificial intelligence that we have already discussed in the previous lecture, now students should learn about various technologies of artificial intelligence. I mean, if I say various technologies of artificial intelligence, they are subset, means they can be machine learning, they can be deep learning, they can be neural networks, they can be robotics, they can be language programming. They are all subset of the under umbrella artificial intelligence technologies. Number 2, artificial intelligence, AI, refers to a set of technologies that make machines perform like human beings, like human intelligence. For example, humanoid, I have already told you, the machine conversing with humans in natural language, keep up dating knowledge and experience with the help of knowledge and experience. Number 3, broadly artificial intelligence, I mean that is artificial technology, are categorized into following. So the artificial technologies, because these artificial technologies, they are playing important role, and these technologies are nothing but they are computer based, all technologies, and that is working. So there are different technologies, and I will be taking one by one. The first umbrella of artificial technologies, that is itself called artificial intelligence. And that artificial intelligence, first broadly, it is having 2 subset. One is machine learning, other one is deep learning. The first one, A, is that is called artificial intelligence. It is just like umbrella that covers everything related to making machine smarter. AI, that is artificial intelligence, enables machines to think like any human. AI is the broad area of computer science, and there are mainly 2 categories of AI. First is called, that is machine learning, ML, and the second one is called, that is deep learning, DL. Machine learning is the branch of AI technology that enables machine to progressively learn and improve for any task. So machine learning, that is technology, that subset of AI is where machine becomes more and more smarter, so that it can do any task which is given to machine learning. And that task I have already discussed, the example of ATM card machine, and of course that is the use of algorithm to understand the we can say sound and speaking of other animals. That is an of that AI that enables machine to progressively learn and improve any tasks with the use of data and experience. Data and experience, that's all. With that data, input, training, experience, and input. That is how machine learning works. And that is ML system can automatically learn and improve without being programmed. There is no need of any programming. Itself it can learn with experience by getting the data input, by training, by all the process I have already explained. So as time is running, I will stop today and I will continue tomorrow in the next lecture, and there I am going to discuss in detail the important role of algorithm and how it is, I can say, improving day by day the technologies of artificial intelligence. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.